Crypto fans, coming back to you with another video and some news that I think that is newsworthy, and I'm sharing with you today. If you haven't already subscribed, drop a comment below as well and tell me what you think about this news and did it help you in your trading strategy. And plus support the channel, subscribe, and click the bell notification so that way you don't miss any more of our videos. So the first piece that I have for you today is the entire crypto market crashed on Halloween. Or they seen, well, not really crash, but you've seen a big one. But now let's go over it and take a look at it. So the broader side of crypto market seen a strong sell-off yesterday, and it turned out to be an absolute Halloween event for everybody else. Now, Bitcoin fell by 4.11%, and it's trading around 69,320. But it shows a tough fight between the bulls and the bears, of course. A correction is visible, pretty similar in altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and Cardano. All of those each were actually doing pretty good throughout the week, but it corrected by about 5 to 7% each of those. So now, like I said, it's 66,000. Income Sharks had quoted Bitcoin. We could drop to 66,000 and be bullish on the daily. I think the lowest this goes is about 68 before establishing the next support. Only accounts that will be celebrating this move have been bearish and wrong for months. Another analyst, Benjamin Cohen, said that it's too early to celebrate the current move of Bitcoin above 72 because the price is close to below 70,000 for the month of October. He said labor market data is tomorrow. It should be the deciding factor for cyclical view versus monetary policy view for Bitcoin for the rest of the fourth quarter. I think this should be apparent by the weekly close, which is most likely outcome. He also added that the crypto market is fighting to go through the downward sloping channel, while altcoins and Bitcoin pairs actually go even further. But he pretty much stays on his previous prediction, adding that if this was the beginning of a larger correction, the Bitcoin could go past 60% moving ahead. But of course, according to a pull call ratio of 0.92 and max pain of around 69, this is all based on derivative data as well. And of course, Ethereum fell about 5%. So around a little bit below $2,500 today, and even later, 137,000 Ethereum options are expiring, with around $350 million and a put call ratio of around 0.69 and a max pain point of around 2550. So Solana's actually has struggled to keep up because it rejected at $175, so it went down about 6% today, and it's trading at 167. So we have to wait and see. Do you think, in the comment section below, let me know, what do you think is going to happen? Are we going to continue to dip? Is this it? Or can we pick it up and start moving forward as we get to close out the fourth quarter of this year? So let me know in the comment section below. As for Tether, it reported around $7.7 billion in profits and a record U.S. Treasury holdings in the third quarter of 2024. Fantastic. So $6 billion reserve buffer and around 102.5 billion holdings. Fantastic for Tether. So in the third quarter, the net profit was around 2.5 billion. And its record 9-month profit around 7.7. So that's a record. So the total value is around $134 billion. So it's making an all-time high for the company. And the flagship stablecoin actually reached an all-time, and with 120 billion tokens issued. And that's around a 30% increase year to date. So also. Now the U.S. Treasury holdings. So the U.S. Treasury holdings actually, if Tether were classified as a country, it would rank around the top 18 holders of U.S. Treasuries. So like that would be past Germany and Australia. So that's a pretty big deal. Of course, the buffer increased over 6 billion, 15% growth rate over 9 months. That's massive. All right. But the proprietary investments are not included, like stablecoin reserves. Now they reached 7.7 as well. But in September the 30th, the total reserves were 125 billion, and the liability stood at 119 billion. So kind of giving you an idea. Let me know what you think about Tether in the comment section below. But that's all I have for you right now. And I'll be coming up to you with another video. I'm really definitely watching the market, but I want to know what you think on how the market's going to react. And what about Tether? What happens if BRICS comes in? Do you think Tether would actually take a crash along with the dollar? Let me know in the comment section below. And until then, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.